Good morning, fourth grade online learners. Today is October 7th. Welcome to Science, where we're going to talk about the skeletal and muscular system. This is actually my third attempt at this video. I keep having some technical difficulties, so hopefully we get through it this time. Just a reminder, quiz is coming up Friday. It may be posted a day early. You can check. Use your study guides. That's what's really going to help you get through this quiz. Today's website is from Ducksters. This is always a good website source. I believe they have good information to complement our lesson. So I thought I would read some of the highlights of this website to you. And this is where you would get your 3 to 5 sentence summary. Biology for kids, muscular system. Muscles are how we move and live. All movement in the body is controlled by muscles. Some muscles work without us thinking, like our heart beating, while other muscles are controlled by our thoughts and allow us to do stuff and move around. All of our muscles together make up our body's muscular system. There are over 650 muscles in the human body. They are under our skin and cover our bones. Muscles often work together to help us move. We do not have to think about moving each individual muscle. For example, we just think about running and our body does the rest. Muscles work by contracting and relaxing. Muscles have long, thin cells that are grouped together in bundles. When a muscle fiber gets a signal from its nerve, proteins and chemicals release energy to either contract the muscle or relax it. When the muscle contracts, this pulls the bones it's connected to closer together. Many of our muscles come in pairs. An example of this is the biceps and triceps in our arms. When the biceps contract, the triceps will relax. This allows our arm to bend. When we want to straighten our arm back out, the biceps will relax and the triceps will contract. Muscle pairs allow us to move back and forth. I think we talked a little bit about that yesterday. Skeletal muscles, these are muscles we use to move around. They cover our skeleton and move our bones. Sometimes they are called striped muscles because they come in long, dark, and light bands of fibers and look striped. These muscles are voluntary because we control them directly with signals from our brains. Smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are special muscles that do not connect to bones, but control organs within our body. These muscles work without us having to think about them. Cardiac muscle. This is a special muscle that pumps our heart and blood through our body. Tendons. Tendons connect muscles to bones. Tendons help form a connection between soft, contracting muscle cells to hard bone cells. Muscle memory. When we practice an action over and over again, we get what's called muscle memory. It allows us to become more skilled at certain activities such as sports and music. As we practice, our muscles tune themselves to become more precise in their motions and to do exactly what our brain wants them to do. So remember, practice makes perfect. Muscles and exercise. When we exercise, we work our muscles, allowing them to become bigger and stronger. Exercise helps to keep your muscles strong and flexible. If you don't use your muscles, they can atrophy or shrink and become weak. Fun facts about muscles. Shivering is caused by hundreds of muscles contracting and relaxing to produce heat and make us warmer. It takes 17 muscles to smile and 43 muscles to frown. All the more reason to smile instead of frown. Our longest muscle is the sartorius. It runs from the hip to the knee and helps us bend the knee and twist our leg. The strongest muscle is our jaw, and it's used for chewing. The strongest muscle. The smallest muscle is in our ear. It is called the stapedius. It is attached to the smallest bone in the body, the stapes. And then there are some activities. I'm not sure if you're interested in doing those activities, but